What's up, guy? Yay, there's an air show in Houston, Texas. There's the air show in Houston, Texas. Yep, exactly. There's an air show in Houston, Texas. We can go. What's up, guy? Maybe next summer. What's up, guy? So I can make you guy say spray. We can try next summer. We can go to the air show. So what's up, guy? I'm not sure what's in the air show. All the planes, that's right. So what's up, guy? There's an air show in Houston, Texas. So what's up, guy? So I can make you guy say spray and we're done, guy. Walk back, but you know, there's an air show in Houston, Texas. So what's up, guy? So I can make you guy probably what's up, guy? Wings over air show. Exact call. Yes. Yes, correct. What's up, guy? Correct. By gas gas.